it's Happy Gameplay Gaming 257 here. I am back after a lot of time of not uploading. It's officially summer, so hooray. I will be uploading so much more, back with Def506 Gaming and tons of other YouTubers that I've done collabs with before. But in today's video, unboxing of a unsharpened butterfly knife Slaughter. And I got this from Ringo Knives, so you guys should check them out. There's multiple models. You could get black, you could get Slaughter, you could get blue, I'm pretty sure, neon. But anyways, I'm gonna open this and we're gonna get right into the unboxing. So I'm just gonna get all this stuff off. Whoa, look at that. Talk about a fancy box. That's cool. Came with this little paper right here. Put the packaging to this side. Wow, that is awesome. Excuse me, guys. Let's cut the tape off on the box. Right there. Alright, before I open this is going to be amazing. Hallelujah. Whoa. That is... Whoa. That is so cool, guys. Oh, it's a bit heavy. That is such a cool case. Look at it. It comes with a mini screwdriver in case I need to undo anything. Here's a case that it came with in the box. You can put this on your belt if you have one. And here's the knife itself. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. It has this right here. This thing to keep it shut. Pop that open. Oh, it's so cool. It's I think it's 9.5 inches long, I believe. That is so cool. You can do tricks with it. So as you can see, it has 3 holes to show that's fake. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has these little things to show it's like the Slaughter skin on it. If I can get a thing of light on it. Oh, there, that's perfect. You can see those lines. Has a black grip. This thing does not want to go. Alright. Well, I just wanted to do a quick review. I know that was probably a horrible unboxing, but I'm sorry. I haven't uploaded in a long time, and this is weird, so... Thank you, everyone, for watching. This is the knife. It feels very sturdy and cool. Right there. Here's its case, and its screwdriver. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I know that was a short review. Sorry about that. But thank you, everyone, for watching, and I will be seeing you soon, hopefully. Bye.